bakasyon na naman. Yes! Yeah, we're going to the Great Roots Forestry Spa Resort. Yeah. Look at that. Dinosaur. The English version of the map. Okay.
这栋是熏风会馆，我们露天吃饭就在里面。对，我们使用时间是早上8点到晚上11点，
Okay.
最后进场时间是10点半。
Okay.
那里面是大众池的关系。
It's moving, Riley.
Shop nosy.
Hi. Riley is with the Triceratops. Moving T-Rex. Wow. And T-Rex, and then you can have barbecue over there. A lot of people doing barbecue. Wanna touch? No? Okay, no? Mama's gonna touch the horns. Yeah. The koi pond. Look at the koi pond. Yeah. What do you think, Riley, about the fishies? Huh?
I want one.
You want one?
Can we eat this?
That one, no. Give me some food.
This isn't for you. This is for the fishy. Okay, come on.
The mug. And then the face mask. Okay. Oh. It's a gift shop. Children's area. And then you can rent. Playing games for the family. Little rides. Hey. Explore. Watch your step. Yeah. Wiggle, wiggle. I it's a better fat cat.
那个不是胖虎。
Oh, King Kong. Whoa, Riley. That's King Kong. Okay, Great Roots Rainbow Bridge. We climbed the trail 1. The trail 2 is going to over there. This is trail 1, trail 2, and 3 going up. We're not doing that. You know why? Okay. So this is a bridge. Much stable than the other one. Still waving, but not too bad. Breezy though. Riley doing a lot of things before 1 year old. Hiking, swimming, going to the spa later. Dahan-dahan sa paglakad using a sandugo sandals. Hiking pa, ha? Okay, we're entering. Oh. dinner time. We're gonna get buffet. We need a ticket to go in for a buffet. Sausage. Yum. Ooh, onion pumpkin soup, huh? That's steamed pan. Cheese, mussel, shrimp. Ooh, jellies. How is it? It's good? And keep eating. Yeah, we went to the evening hot spring. Evening time hot spring. Yay! Swimming!
Other one.
Yeah. Breakfast. What's going on, Riley? You're enjoying your breakfast? So the breakfast is congee and
A lot of bread.
ham and bread. You already ate lots of food, so yeah, this is his position now. Hi. Amazing. This is Sanmin Bat Cave, so going there. Riley, adventure again. Remember not to look up or else your mouth will have some bat poop. Riley is hiking again, so going to the Bat Cave. Punta ng kuweba ng Paniki over there. Bababa tayo. Hiking Bat Cave. Ta-na-na-na-na-na-na. Bat Cave. Waterfall.